Mercedes-Benz luxury yacht, Arow 460 Gran Turismo. You will certainly be blown away by the beauty of the luxury of the Mercedes' $1.7 million exclusive yacht, if you're also a fan of their stunning cars. It's a perfect realization of an S-Class in water, but unlike the brand's cars, only 10 of these will be made. At a first glance, the powered vessel may look small, but what it lacks in size, it makes up for it by some of the most innovative features. Its huge side windows are retractable, which allows people to fully enjoy the scenic beauty of the sea. The rather small body size combined with 960 horsepower helps the Arow 460 achieve a top speed of 40 knots, 75 km per hour with ease. Moreover, you're also greeted by super comfy extendable beds and tables inside the cabin, which are complemented by a sophisticated sound system and a chilled air conditioner. The wine storage allows you to pop your favorite drink whenever you're in a celebratory mood, and the presence of an ice maker is like a cherry on top of the cake. Bugatti Ninat 66 Yacht. The Bugatti Ninat 66 yacht is an identical image of the iconic Chiron, and it's even available in the same color schemas as the hypercar. It has been developed in partnership with the famous yacht maker Palmer Johnson and has a starting price of $4 million. The reason behind its unique exterior is the feedback from Chiron owners who wanted to own a yacht that is nearly identical to the hypercar. The seats are covered in premium leather, and the touch points are surrounded by blue Morta oak wood. The massive salon includes a king-sized super comfortable bed alongside a couch and flat screen, which is essentially all you need from a luxury boat. It won't be fair to end the discussion without mentioning the performance aspects, as Bugatti is a name that is synonymous with exhilarating performance. The Ninat 66 can achieve a top speed of 44 knots, 80 km per hour, which is good enough for a luxury vessel. The company hasn't disclosed the price to this date, however, only 66 units will be made. Tesla self-charging Model Y yacht. Tesla is one of the companies that are known for innovation, and the Model Y yacht concept falls nothing short of their legacy. Its most unique feature will be its self-sustaining technology, meaning that it will be able to fulfill its energy needs by using the combination of solar energy from the solar panels and a hydroelectricity turbine mounted in the bottom, which will use wave energy to generate electricity. Since this is just a concept by a random designer and not the production model, the information is therefore scarce. However, by the looks of it, it seems like a very sharp and sleek-looking powered boat whose interior is almost covered to provide a spacious interior. It's a party-oriented yacht that includes a bar, large open spaces, and lounge pads. The absence of sleeping pads in the rendered images further supports the idea that it will be a leisure boat. However, one should not pin too much hope on this idea becoming a reality, since Tesla presently is focusing on expanding the production of EVs. Lamborghini 63 yacht by Technomar. Lamborghini is undoubtedly one of the most famous names in the supercar segment, and like most other such brands, the company has decided to take the game one notch up by building a yacht named Lamborghini 63. The 63 number refers to the supercar brand's 1963 foundation, and its various design clues resemble the hypercars built by the company. The cockpit layout, steering, and driver's seat are the most closely resembling items, together with the rear stairwells that mimic the splitters on the rear window of sports cars made by the brand. Moreover, you can also avail this vessel in sharp colors that are also offered in luxury sports cars of the company. The extensive use of carbon fiber helps in minimizing the total weight, and the twin V12 engines turn out 4,000 horsepower that aids in achieving a maximum speed of 60 knots, 110 kilometers per hour, which makes it one of the fastest yachts on the planet. Only 63 will be made, each at a price tag of nearly $3.5 million. Lexus LY650 luxury yacht. The luxury car brand Lexus has expanded its expertise with the launch of an ultra-luxury yacht Lexus LY650. The 650 name has been derived from its 65-foot length, and the styling clues have been inspired by the brand's high-end cars, albeit with a touch of maritime interpretation. The full-size sea creature has been equipped with the highest quality materials, and the interior has been styled according to famous Japanese Takumi artisan skills, which shows the level of attention to detail by Lexus's craftsmen. Out of all the features, the most unique attribute are its 3 berths, which sort of add to the size of the whole vessel. However, despite its large structure, it has a surprisingly low weight thanks to the extensive use of lightweight materials. The extravagant boat can attain a top speed of 31 knots, 58 kilometers per hour, and is powered by Volvo's Penta IPS engines that can produce a variety of power outputs ranging from 1,050 horsepower to 1,350 horsepower. The base price starts from $3.7 million and can rise all the way up to $4.8 million.